This is the hardwire power accessory kit I bought. This is a Wolfbox mirror. It's got a front-facing camera, and then there's a wired camera you can put on the back. This is similar, except this one's a smaller G930. It's a little bit narrower. This one I think is 10 inches. It's like a 840 or something. I don't know if there's anything different besides them. This wire is for a GPS. It's over there. I got it around the window. This middle wire is the rear view camera. I got it going along down this pillar, and I got it going out under the cab and then along the frame. And then this one is the power. The mirror comes with a 12 volt cigarette plug for power, but you gotta plug it in and out. And if you have a 12 volt outlet that stays on all the time and you leave this in, that'll stay running and it'll drain your battery. So I bought the hardwire kit and I wired it into the fuse panel down here into a switched fuse. And then at the back of the truck there's a red wire that you tie into your reverse light. And when you shift in the reverse, your reverse light comes on, and then the Wolfbox will go to a low view of reverse, so to make it easier to hook up a trailer or something. But it does record front and back. There's a micro SD card slot, and it'll record the whole time you're driving, both front and back views. Thanks for watching. Oh, and then also I removed the original mirror and I put this the mount kit. This is the original mirror. This is a mount kit I bought for the other mirror. I misplaced there's a wide plate that screws to this and then screws to the back of the mirror. You have to take these rubber straps off. You pop these rubber pads, peel them off, and then there's screws holding this to hold these down. If you don't want to use this mount kit, you can just rubber band strap it onto your original mirror. But my original mirror wouldn't hold it up. It was the friction was so weak it kept sagging down. But thanks for watching.